It's only $9 a month to have a nice website for your local business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another page to your Mighty Sites website. I'm going to jump right in there and show you how cool this is and how it's fast and easy for you to do it. Okay, so here's my website that I built for a farm feed store. There it is right here on Mighty Sites. You can see nice professional website. Check out the other videos if you want to see how the platform works. But let's just say I want to add another page. So I'm going to click right here on activate editing mode. What I'm going to do after that is I'm just going to go into add a new page. So I'm going to click here on add a new page. You can see the pages I have. I can click here and it'll take me to any of them. And then I'm going to add a page called Custom Chicken Coops. And now you can see that's going to be my page URL. So I'm going to add the new page, and then it's going to take me over to edit that page. Now, what I want to do first is I want to add that to my menu. So I'm going to go here to update section. I'm going to update menu, and then I'm going to add chicken coops. And then I'm going to choose the link, my website, and I'm going to go right here to Custom Chicken Coops page, and I'm going to confirm. Now, I probably want to, now I'm going to click here and add to menu. And then I'm just going to move that up here and put that as chicks. Now I'm going to save my menu items. Make sure you follow those steps. Okay, so now I've got my chicken coops page here. And you can see it just loads like a blank page basically. So I click here on update section. And now I'm going to put in here custom chicken coops for sale. We make custom backyard block homes. Something fun like that. And then I copy and pasted just some text that we had about that. Check us out for standard and custom built chicken coops. Okay. So I'm going to save that content and you can see now I've got the information right there. For the image, I'm going to actually browse my computer and use an image from their store. Let's just pick this one of some baby chickens. Actually, I have a chicken coop image. So let me upload that image. Custom chicken coops. There we go. And I'm going to let that load, and then I'm going to click on Save Image Selection and close. And now you can see that it has custom chicken coops and chicken coops for sale. Awesome. I'm creating a new page for my website. Then I'm going to click here on Update Section, and it's got this little ElfSite widget code. Well, what is that? ElfSite is a company we're partnered with that lets you add all these different widgets to your site. So let's just say in this instance that you'd like to have an Instagram feed, right? You could have an Instagram feed of your chicken coops. Maybe you post a lot of them there and you'd like that there. That's pretty cool. You could add your Google reviews. You could add all types of things here that you want. But maybe I just want to load to like a YouTube gallery of videos that I feel like are helpful for somebody with a chicken coop. So I'm going to go here to create templates that I want here. This one's pretty cool. So I'm going to continue with this template, add to website for free, and then it's going to load this little tool for me. And then I pick the channel that I want. So let me go over here to YouTube. If you have a video channel, that's great, but I'm just going to look up chicken coops. So if you have one for your business already, you can do it, but let's just look for a chicken coop channel because I'm sure there's a bunch. Just as an example. So this is everything you need to know, raising chickens. All right, that's cool. That would be really helpful to my people.
To the new chapter.
So let's go over here and I'm going to just copy and paste this URL up here. I'm going to go back to this and then I'm going to paste in that YouTube channel. And then you're going to see it now populates all this chicken coop information and raising chickens, right? So here I've got my photo gallery widget. I'm going to click here on install and you can see it works for, oh, that's my photo gallery. I'm going to go to my YouTube gallery widget, click here on install. I'm just going to copy the code. And then I just go over here to my page, paste the code in here and check out how cool this page is going to look. Save it, close it, and then click on stop editing. And now you can see, not only do I have the custom chicken coops for sale, but now I've got a really cool widget of either my business or just helpful YouTube videos that my customers might find helpful when they need it. So that's how quick and easy it is to add a page and then use the ElfSite widgets to really make the page really enhanced. And then of course, there's a contact form down here as well for your customers to reach out and contact you. I'm going to put the links to both ElfSite and Mighty Sites down below. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments. Otherwise, give the platforms a try for the free trial and we'll see you in the next video.